Hola, hola, soy Profe, and this is your tutorial video for how to access our full class live Google Meets. Okay, your Spanish class Google Meets. Maybe it's not the full class, maybe it's just half the class, but how to access Spanish class live classes on Google Meet. First things first, I'm going to pretend that it is morning, and I'm waking up in the morning, and I'm going to check Google Classroom to see if I have any assignments for today. All right, first thing I do is I click on classwork. I'm pretending I'm a sixth grader right now. So I clicked on classwork. First things first, I'm going to check my virtual classroom for sixth grade Spanish. That's where I can find all my announcements. Okay, where am I? ¿Dónde estoy? Aquí estoy. All right, here is our virtual classroom for sixth grade. I'm going to go to this week's assignments. Okay, this week's assignments. Let's see. Remember, I'm a student. I'm checking. Today is the morning time. Today is Wednesday. I don't see any live class on Google Meet. What about tomorrow? No, what about Friday? Google Meet live class at 1:45. That is wrong. Sixth graders, it should not say 1:45. I apologize. Let me change that right now. It should say 1:05. Sixth grade class doesn't have Spanish at 1:45. Okay. 1:05 p.m. Google Meet live class on Friday. Not today, not Wednesday. Okay, or today's Wednesday. English is tough, you know? All right, so let's pretend it's now Friday, August 21st. I have a Google Meet live class for Spanish. Okay, what do? I'm going to go over to Google Classroom. Boop, 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 boop. I'm on Google Classroom now. Okay, I'm under classwork. If I click on Google Calendar right below classwork, my Google Calendar for Spanish Google Classroom shows up. What do we have here? We have the drop-in Google Meets. Okay, if I click on them, there's instructions. All right. We're pretending it's Friday, right? The 21st. So let's look at Friday the 21st. I know that Google Meet live class is during my scheduled Spanish class because I only have Spanish class during that time of day, which I know is, as a sixth grader, 1:05 p.m. So let's look around 1, the 21st Friday. What's this? Assignment. Oh, this is an assignment that's due. Okay, that's not what I want. What about this? Thursday launching list. No, that's an assignment. That's an assignment. All the way here at the end, live. Live Spanish class. That's it. Friday the 21st, 1:05 to 1:45. That's my sixth grade live Spanish class. What does it say? In the comments, on Friday, August 21st, today, pretending, our class will be meeting for the first time on Google Meet at 2:25 p.m. What? 2:25 p.m. I'm sorry, that's wrong. At 1:05 p.m. because this is sixth grade. That's crazy. Click on live again. Oop, not you. Live. Oop, live. At 1:05 p.m. Start time right here. Click on the blue button, join Google Meet. Before Friday's Google Meet, you must read the Google Meet's protocol slideshow. Complete the assignment on slide number 7. Link to Google Meet protocol slideshows right here. Okay. We're pretending that it's Friday. First Google Meet, live Spanish, and it is 1:04 p.m. So I'm going to say, okay, 1:04, it's 1:05 p.m. on the dot. Join Google Meet. Boop, 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 boop. At 1:05 p.m., because I'm in sixth grade, I will be able to join Google Meet directly from that big blue button on my Google Calendar. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Please remember that you have headphones in, that if your video is going to be on, there's double me. If your video is on, you don't have anything embarrassing behind you. You don't have anything in your teeth, all that jazz, okay? See you soon. Boop, boop, adios.